You know, one thing I've noticed this year is the lack of maps available. You know, around the fairgrounds, and even the you know the program that they give you at the entrance. It didn't have a map. Luckily, I have a little PDF here in my phone, and I can get orientated.
I'm riding with my RV, wherever I want to be, 'cause I'm free in my RV. Yeah.
It does strike me as odd that the Heimer booth is empty all the time. And here we are all the way to the back of the RV show almost. Hello? Good morning. Thank you. And here we are by the Grand Design booth. And I want to show you some fifth wheels because you guys have requested that. And of course, the fifth wheel is the ultimate in value and almost a residential quality. This retails for example for 108, but today is $83,000. And this is the Grand Design Solitude 373 FBR. So let's see what that means. It probably means from bed, and then R, I don't know what it stands for, but let me show you here. This is a beautiful bedroom here in the front. Of course, this is the fifth wheel area, if you will, the part that sits on top of the truck. Here's a very ample shower. It's very nice. And then you have a walk-in closet. How about that? His and hers sinks here. This is not ceramic. This is particle board or some kind of wood-like material. But otherwise, the wood feels very nice. All the doors feel very solid. And here we have more closet storage. Let's check out the living room area here. And as you can see, we have this island here, of course. Residential fridge. Let me see what we have here. Maybe this is what the R stands for. Oh, this is another half bath here. You know, if you have company, you don't want them to use your bathroom in the bedroom. This is very cool. You have a Furion 3-burner cooktop, and this is a real propane oven. And the TV here. Yeah, and days like today that is kind of chilly, it's very good to have one of these fireplaces.
Yes.
And,
very nice.
yes.
Here, I'll get out of your way, please.
No, if you don't mind being on camera, it's fine. I just wanted to take a quick shot of this the living room area, and this your dinette for 4. So yeah, most of these fifth wheels they feel like a residence. Here you have the stereo. And very nice. Yeah, I think Grand Design is one of the gold standards for fifth wheels. And as I said, this don't come cheap. This is 108 MSRP, 83 today. You know, a special price for the RV show. But they are very nice, especially for full timing, and if you wanna have a lot of space. You know, you can park this in the middle of the desert and. Look all the. Oh, this one has an outside kitchen too that you can slide out. Let me see the tanks. Oh, and then down here there's more storage, I bet, and the batteries and all that stuff. Let me see if I can get the sizes of the tanks, because these usually have pretty big. Holding tanks. Let me see from this. I don't think they have a. But you know what? Just go online and check out the model number. You go to Grand Design online and check out the model number 373FB-R, and you know it says all the specs. Okay, and here we have the Grand Design Solitude 379 FLS. 379 FLS, and this one has a front living room. It's it's like a reverse floor plan from the one that we just saw, and these are becoming more popular too. And this one, the TV goes up and down, and then you have a window here in the front. So if you wanna look to the outside, if you're parked in a beautiful place out west, or in on a beach, you know, you can look to the front. The one drawback is I don't think it has windows on the back, or maybe it does. Very similar, you know. You have this island. I'm not gonna go through every single thing, because these are very residential. And here we have this one only has one bathroom right here, and then the one drawback in the back, it's a closet. You don't have a window, and sometimes you're backed into a very nice site that has a beautiful view, and then all you have is a view of your closet. So let's check another one out. This one has another door here in the back area. Oh, this is what it looks like with the outside kitchen deployed, and look at this. This is fantastic. You know, if you're camping, you're entertaining people, you know, at the campsite, you have this table to prep your stuff, and you have this grill. I shouldn't be touching a grill, even if it's off, just in case. I don't want to get burnt. And this is right here, 94. This is a little even less money than the other two that we've seen. This is 94 and change, 75 today here. And the 384 GKR. GK, Great Kitchen? I don't know. I can never figure out what that means, but this is a more classic design. You have your bedroom in the front, like most fifth wheels, with the closet. Excuse me, with the round closet there. And then you have your bathroom here in the main living room area. And I think this is only one bathroom. So if your guests want to come, you can always close this door right here, and this door right here, and your bedroom is off limits to your guests. And then, like most fifth wheels, this one, you know, they're all kind of similar. Oh, this one has no, this is not a bathroom. That's a huge pantry right there, and more space here. You know. And, you know, in typical fifth wheel fashion, you have this large area back here with huge windows, and yeah, it is very nice. Let me check this one out right here. This is also 93. I want to check out that one later, but this one 93 and change, 73 today. This is the 377 MBS R. And this is a very similar design, only that you have here a second bedroom. So back here you have your bedroom, of course, very similar to the other one. You have this bathroom, very similar to the one we just saw. But then up here you have a bunk for your kids, or a guest, or your mother-in-law. And then in here you have this. It's like an office kind of space. You have a desk. You have a bunch of stuff, and I wonder if this also turns into a bed, so you could have even one more guest, the one that you don't like much, in this room, so you can close the door and forget they're here. And here we are, the living room, very similar to what we've seen. You know, they change cabinets here and there, but it's all a matter of your preference. Oh, they have the heater all the way cranked up all the way. This is very nice. I wonder if you could use this as a wine rack. That would be cool. Let's continue. Okay. 344 GK, 86 and change retail, and today for $69,000 you can have this small apartment, which is also called a fifth wheel trailer. Of course, you do need a heavy truck to tow any of these, and I don't know exactly how much they weigh. Actually, let me see if they have the specs, because that would be cool to find out. And I assume most of them have similar weight. here we go, the 344K. And the hitch weight is 2,500, which is almost what my entire trailer weighs. And the gross weight is 16,000 pounds. And this is 36 long. And this one, the other ones that we saw had a residential style refrigerator, but this seems to be a three-way. You can run it with electricity or gas. But it's huge. It's for an absorption refrigerator, is one of the largest ones we've seen for sure. These are very nice. And you know what happens at these RV shows is like when you are at a wine tasting, and after a while, all the wines start tasting the same. It's like that. You get overwhelmed really easy. This is the 374THR.
I like this.
And this one is one of the ones that has the bedroom in the back. And thankfully, this one you have a little window right there by the bedroom. This is very nice to have, although you cannot see much out of that window, but still, it's nice to have a view. It's nice to have windows in all directions. This is the bathroom here. It's the front of the trailer. You have a glass front, so you have windows in the front and the back. This is very nice. Yeah, it's 10:30 a.m. and this place is starting to get full. This one also has a small outdoor kitchen here with a microwave and even a sink and compression style refrigerator and compressor and the grill. And let's see what it looks like inside. This one today only show deal $59,900. They really want to get rid of this one, I guess. It's $79. So this one is a more affordable model all around, and let's see why. Because you have the bedroom here, which is similar. Let me see this. Actually, the cabinetry is very, very good craftsmanship, very nicely made. And this one here in the kitchen, you have a absorption style refrigerator by Dometic. You have a propane stove, and here you have a sofa. And look at this. My wife would love this. This is perfect. In front of the TV, fireplace. And here's the kids' room in the back. And you can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 kids. Yep. This is the Nomadic family special right here. So if you are a large family and you want a full time on the road, this is the coach for you. Definitely. The mamas and the papas in the front, and then the children back here. Woo, this is great. Are you listening, Tim Smoyer? This is the fifth wheel for you. And this one is, 60 grand, you can have it. Look at all this storage. Woo, huge storage here in the front. And more down here. I almost hit my head. This one does not have an outside. Oh, yeah, it does. Yeah, this is the outside kitchen. So you can have one of those parties. Imagine in the campground with all the kids running around and cooking some burgers. Okay, let's look at the $60,000 fifth wheel here. And today it's only $49,325. I think this is the last one I'm going to show you because, as I said, after a while they all start looking kind of alike. And here we have it. I think I'm getting a cold. And here we are. Bathroom and front. Didn't I show you this one already? Yeah, it's time to go. Okay, that was a quick look at some of the Grand Design fifth wheels that they have here at the Florida RV Super Show. Before I go, let me take a look at this. This is on the inexpensive side of things. 41,000 retail, 34,325 show special price, and this is quite smaller than the rest of the ones that we've seen. It's a classic design. You have the bedroom in the front, in the wardrobe closet, and I don't think you have a TV here in the front room. Or maybe you do when you close the door. What do you mean no TV? What are you gonna do at night? Well, I guess you can put an aftermarket TV at some point. Here's the bathroom. Standard stuff. And then back here you have a U-shaped dinette and the two recliners, and then you have a TV here. And this starting to look more like a regular RV and not, you know, an apartment, basically, which is what this some of these fifth wheels look like. Dometic three-way, standard stuff. Okay, now I'm done, I think.
If you have enjoyed traveling with us, make sure you are subscribed and check out my other videos. Also, share it with your friends, spread the word, and leave me a comment. Now, if you really liked it, you have a chance to show your support at patreon.com/travelingrobert. As always, thank you so much for watching, and see you on the road.